Hello, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to post on Poppo Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live account. Click on the profile option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on your profile. So right here on your profile, you're going to see a camera option. Just click on it. Click on post moments. Now you just have to select the particular picture you want to post. I'll click on add post. So you select the particular picture you really want to post. Click on complete. Type in the comment or description you want that post to have. And you can now post. You can add more than one photo on your Poppo Live post by clicking on the plus icon. If I add another picture, I can see add another picture and another picture. I can also add recommended topics. You can see below here we have recommended topic. You can just add and even add a hashtag if you choose to. So guys, that is it on how to post photo on your Poppo Live app. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so let's get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.